Hey channel guys, and welcome back to another food review. Got something new from the original hot dog factory. Y'all can see, y'all can look up online. I got this from they actually got one in the mall, South Lake Mall here in Atlanta. And I ordered me which one I get? I got the fire dog. I got beef hot dog topped with Arizona heat, hot sauce, jalapeno peppers, and what's that, sport peppers, whatever that is. Let's see what we got, man. Let's see what it's looking like. And I got side fries too. Okay. Jalapenos and hot dog right there. I got fried pretty good. Okay, let's go. Let's see what we got. Got the fire dog. Oops. Oh, the bun just broke. But you know it don't matter. We're gonna eat it anyway. That's hot. Try these fries. Try these fries now. Fried pretty good. Okay. Fire dog. I give it a solid 9 out of 10. Pretty good. Good taste. Yeah, good 9 out of 10. Anyway, make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Keep watching my videos and hit my cash up. Till next time, guys. Peace.